Hey traders, in this video we bring you a deep dive into a trading platform. Welcome to the world of jk-analytics.com, where cutting-edge technology and financial acumen converge to create an unparalleled online trading experience. In the intricate fabric of today's financial markets, where precision and speed are paramount, jk-analytics.com stands out as a technologically sophisticated platform, meticulously designed to meet the challenges and complexities of modern trading. Imagine a platform where every tool, every feature, and every decision is backed by the most advanced technology available. jk-analytics.com is not just a trading platform, it is an ecosystem, a meticulously crafted environment that empowers traders to engage in seamless trading, hedging, and investment activities across a variety of asset classes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the financial markets, jk-analytics.com offers a comprehensive toolkit that adapts to your needs, ensuring that you are equipped with everything required to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. At the heart of jk-analytics.com lies its integration of algorithmic trading functionalities, a feature that truly sets it apart. Algorithmic trading, once the preserve of large financial institutions, is now accessible to all users on this platform, providing them with the precision and efficiency essential for success in today's fast-paced financial environment. Imagine being able to execute complex trading strategies with unparalleled accuracy, all facilitated by advanced algorithms designed to optimize every aspect of your transactions. This isn't just trading, it's a revolution in how trading is done. The platform's commitment to fostering a culture of financial literacy is evident in its extensive use of advanced analytics tools. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and predictive analytics, jk-analytics.com offers users insightful market analyses and forecasts that go far beyond traditional methods. These tools allow you to not only understand past market movements but also to anticipate future trends, giving you a significant advantage in your trading decisions. One of the key features that make jk-analytics.com accessible to a wide range of users is its low minimum deposit requirement of just €100. This affordability, combined with sophisticated payment gateways, ensures that a broad spectrum of individuals can actively participate in the global financial markets. Whether you're an experienced trader looking to diversify your portfolio or a newcomer eager to start your trading journey, jk-analytics.com makes it easy to get started, providing you with the opportunity to grow your investments with confidence and ease. The platform's user-centric approach is further highlighted by its emphasis on empowering decision-making through advanced analysis tools. These tools go beyond conventional market analysis, integrating state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms and predictive analytics. jk-analytics.com also prides itself on its advanced pricing mechanisms, which are designed to ensure optimal trading conditions for all users. The platform employs sophisticated algorithms to deliver ultra-competitive spreads and commissions across all asset classes. These algorithms dynamically adjust based on trading volumes and market conditions, ensuring that users always benefit from the most competitive pricing available. This level of precision and adaptability not only enhances the trading experience but also provides a scalable solution that grows with the needs of individual traders. As you consider your next steps in the financial markets, remember that jk-analytics.com is more than just a trading platform. It's a comprehensive solution designed to empower you at every stage of your trading journey. With its advanced technology, innovative cost structures, and a commitment to user-centric design, jk-analytics.com is poised to redefine your trading experience. Join us at jk-analytics.com and discover a world where technological excellence meets financial acumen. Whether you're executing complex trades or just starting out, jk-analytics.com is the platform that adapts to your needs, helping you achieve your financial goals with precision and confidence. Welcome to the future of online trading. Welcome to jk-analytics.com. Happy trading!